Let me show you how to make this Coquito Fruit Cake. This was freaking amazing, and you have to make it during the holidays. Let's start. I made a Duncan Hines Vanilla Classic Cake Mix. Follow the package instructions. Cook the cake, let it cool, poke holes. Then I poured my Coquito mix. Yes, with rum and all. All the recipe and instructions will be below in the description box, so you can see everything that I did. So basically you're getting two recipes in this video, my Coquito recipe and the cake recipe. So I had a can of fruit hanging around, peaches to be exact, and that's what I added. Keep watching. Poke those holes, shake up that Coquito, pour it over the cake. It's gonna be absorbing all that drink. You're gonna cover it up and you're gonna put it in the fridge to chill for a few hours. Overnight, even better. Oh, and you're toasting that coconut, remember? Those sweetened coconut flakes, get them toasted because they're going on that cake too. Now I made my own whipped cream. Half a quart of whipping cream, heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Whip, whip, whip. Add in the sugar little by little, slowly. First, you're going to put ice on the bottom of that pot right there that you see. Rewind the video if you have to. You got to keep that milk cold at all times. Once that whipping cream is done, you're going to put it in a container. You're going to put it in the fridge. Let it chill till you're ready to use it. I made the cake the night before, so I let it cool all night. And then I did it this morning, Christmas Eve day. Once that cake is chilled, bring it out and spread that whipped topping on it. So good. This came out so freaking good. Remember to check the instructions and directions for this recipe down below. Then I placed peaches on the cake. You can put any fruit you want. Anything your heart desires. I chose peaches because that's what I had on hand. This came out freaking totally amazing. Everyone loved it. Then you're going to sprinkle the toasted coconut flakes. And then you're ready to enjoy it. Please let me know if you make this. I hope you do. And let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Have a great holiday season. Merry Christmas, everyone.